Are you excited for market open on Monday? I hope that there's uncertainty in the market. And if you don't know why I want those things, comment down below and stick to the end of the video and I will let you know why. In the last few days, especially, so Thursday and Friday, the markets, as you can see, were tanking. They were in a downward spiral. Everyone's freaking out. Horrible things are happening. And at the same time, there are people that are thinking, you know what? There's an opportunity here. So let me talk to the people that are scared. Let me assure you of one thing. And this will show you why Thursday and Friday and uncertainty on Monday and Tuesday and the following week, this is nothing to be afraid of, but you should be looking at this as an opportunity. Everyone knows that now everything is on sale. That this market downturn, and again, if we look at it from a space of, a 5 to 10 year span and not just what happened on Thursday and Friday, that's the perspective I want everyone to be taking. So again, it looks horrible, right? Thursday and Friday, yeah, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, TSX, everything was down. At the same time, this is perfect because back in the day, especially after 2008, after the market collapsed in 2008, people really haven't had a chance to get in on some of these companies and some of these indexes that were outperforming, that were doing really well year after year. Yes, after COVID, there was a downward trend for a little while, but then it picked back up, right? So if you never had a chance to participate when there's a market downturn before, this is the time. If you live in Alberta, reach out to me on Instagram, link in the description below, and I can show you how you can participate. Because everyone needs to participate. What's stopping you from participating? One, most people, is fear. Fear and uncertainty, not knowing where to start and how to start. This is the best time to buy. Right now, when markets are down, when everything's on sale, instead of buying high and selling low, you buy low and sell high. So I'm telling you, buy. And if you don't know, again, reach out to me on Instagram and I can show you how, and I can walk you through that process of how you can start. The second thing that might be stopping you is, well, I don't know where. And so I've solved that already for you. Reach out to me on Instagram, leave a comment below, and I can walk you guys through this. Because again, there is 5 years from now, you will look back on this day and these couple of days when the markets are just horrific. You will look back and you'll be like, man, I never invested. I never got in. I couldn't get there. And it's gonna be a shame. It really is, because the markets they're always going to bounce back. Yes, they can be downturns. Yes, those are coming. We don't know what the future holds. However, the economy needs to keep moving forward, and it always does. Thank you for watching this far. And now, it's almost as if Trump is giving you the signal to invest. And it's your decision. And yes, you can participate in the S&P 500. Yes, you can participate in US companies that are on sale, like Morgan Stanley and Microsoft and Apple and Tesla. I could go on. It's craziness out there. There's no need to be afraid. I saw so much going on X on Friday. People are freaking out, calling for Trump's head. And then there's the other side of people that I was just conversing with as well, and they're excited. In my last video, I spoke about investing emotionally versus logically. Logically, the stocks are on sale. That's it. That's logic. It used to be this, and now it's this, right? Morgan Stanley used to be at $120 US per share, somewhere around there, hovering. Now, less than $100. Man, that's $20 less US per share, and they pay quarterly dividends. There's so much out there. And so I'm hoping that, again, the markets are in a downward spiral again on Monday and Tuesday. I want to find better winners out there. This is a very good thing. So again, to those watching, for the good of your family and for the good of your future, start investing right now. because we don't know when a time like this is going to happen again. If all goes well for Trump and his cabinet, this market is going to go like this and skyrocket. That's the goal. And yes, some of you may think it won't happen, but he's putting things in place to make sure that does happen. Nobody wants to lose money for their country. Well, unless you're a liberal government. These are 2 investments on the 1st of January 2020. These are the 2 same investment portfolios on the 1st of August 2020. As you can see, on the 1st of November 2022, these 2 same investments are now up over what they were on the 1st of January 2022. And finally, on the 3rd of May 2025, these are the same investments. I hope you guys and gals understand that this is a time that's important. I was going to do another video about something else, but after I saw all the reactions on X and all over Facebook and everything else, it's crazy to think. It's crazy to think that there are people out there freaked out right now when they should be excited. Now, yes, caveat, if you are 65 right now and you're waiting and your retirement is like 3 months from now, you should have been talking to an advisor, letting them know that you want to be out of the market. That just would have been common sense. Oh wait, no, that would have been Tommensense, because common sense isn't so common. I want to help. I'm excited to hear what you guys have to say about what's happening. And I know there's some watching this video are like excited like I am. And so encourage everybody else. Let's pass this along that this is a great time to be investing. There's nothing to be afraid of, especially if you got lots of time for that money to turn around, and boy, it should be turning around. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And remember, Tommensense, because common sense isn't so common.